There we go. I don't know why it always starts like that. Good morning, you guys. Happy Monday. Let's kick it off. FFF TV, baby. Hope you guys had a good weekend. How we doing, you guys? IFDG don't yeah, you guys hear that freaking Drake album? What do you guys think? Let's cook it up. Let's cook it up. We are jumping, it looks like this morning. Market is going down pretty fast. But yeah, I'm gonna just do a little we'll go over kind of how my strategy a little more and we'll see if we have any trades for today. Honestly, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it looks like we might keep dumping. We just took out London lows. We might continue to take out Asia as well. We'll see. You guys can hear me though? Aaron, you can hear me on there? You guys can, yes. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's kill it, you guys. Um, anything crazy happen over anyone's weekend? No trades so far. No trades so far. We're just hopping on right now. Yusha, I think it's you got to make sure your volume's up or you don't have me muted because it should be good. Um, but yeah, let's see. So I mean, I'm gonna start chopping it up here on the higher time frame. Let's see what we can do. No trades yet. Um, looks like we're moving down, so we could maybe start looking for some shorts instead of just ripping all-time highs. Market's been just relentless, just ripping all-time highs. Been just chilling, waiting for Mondays to start. I feel it. This week should be interesting for us. We got a lot we're working on. Merch, we're working on even 11. 11's gonna be coming through the office here in California, so it's gonna be interesting. It should be dope. See you meet 11 in person. We're gonna be cooking up a lot for you guys. We're gonna be doing a stream on Friday. Let me get YouTube open here real quick so you guys see. Get the YouTube chat up here. Yes, the market's moving a little slow. Anthony from YouTube, DM me on Discord if you haven't already. I don't think. Let me see my Discord DMs. Because everyone I wrote down in my notes, they got their accounts from stream. So let's see. Let's see. Let me get Discord back up on the chat here. Boom. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Sweet. I was talking to Jacob. Good things coming. Yes, sir. Let's see. But yeah, we'll be doing giveaways shortly today. I want to just get into the charts and see what we can do. I'm trying to look for something good to take here. Supposed to be getting my account today. It was air with mines. It was air with mines. Anyone trade the open today? Do you? Is anyone else having mic issues for me? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, good. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. So 1 minute looking like we're coming back up a little bit. Let's see. I'm gonna start on the daily and work down. So right here on the right chart, we got daily open. And daily candle, we took lows. So, Sunday into Monday so far today, we have been moving down. Um, still feel like we might continue down to be honest. It looks like it, even just looking at the like sure daily, yes, took out previous day's low, took out Friday's low. But 4-hour wise, look at that, I mean, we still got nice lows on the table here. I feel like we're still gonna work down to take that out. Feel like we are. I mean, it's still 500 ticks away. How to enter giveaway, we're gonna be running them just randomly throughout the stream if we whenever we do them. So just stay tuned. There's no like questionnaire or anything. You just gotta participate in the chat. What's good, you guys? What's good, YouTube? Man, I need to catch something good here. So 4-hour, let's say we'll just mark out these lows just to keep them on our chart here. Let's get like this. Do a little red line here for some lows, which we almost came out just a second ago. Came like 50, 60 ticks off. 1 hour, frick, 30 minute. Let's see, do we SMT anything here? No. I mean, Dow took these highs out from Friday afternoon highs. NQ and ES have not. So a little bit of an SMT, I guess, if you want to pay attention to that. As you can see here, that's what I'm talking about, like these highs right here. So Dow took those out. NQ and ES obviously have not. So that's something that could lead us towards shorts right here. Yeah, I typically only trade NQ. For the most part, I trade NQ. I still pay attention to ES, Dow. Um, I might start trading gold a little bit too. I've been looking at it lately, but mainly NQ. So let's see. It's tough here, guys. I feel like we still want to move down. We got this low, high, lower, low. This is where the SMT happened on Dow taking these highs out. So this could keep us down. Let's see. Let's go. So we're on the hourly here. Let's go down to the 50 because there's nothing really on the hourly here. We just got this range we're in. We could look at this as inversion. I mean, this was a bullish order block that we broke through. So I mean, we could look at this as a breaker or even inversion, like order block to hold us down. So I'm gonna look at the body here of this candle to hold us down, which you can see price did come up, tap it a couple times. Um, so it's hourly wise. Let's see. We'll title this like 1 hour old, 1 hour old OB. So that should hold us down. Let's see, 15. Sir, yes, sir. And for anyone starting out, what's one thing you guys learned in trading that made you successful or made you finally have consistency? I want to see what's helping some people in the chat would like kind of got you guys to where you are now. I mean, because for me, it's really just like journaling and having multiple reasons why you're getting in a trade and not just hopping in everything left and right. But I want to see what's helped you guys out. Watching me trade. Yes, sir. Hope so. I hope I could help you guys. Enjoy yourself and have fun, Trading sucks. I mean, sometimes it's tough. That's when you gotta just walk away too. I mean, sometimes you get into trading and just hitting stop loss, a couple trades in a row. That's why after like two trades of being stopped out, I'll just take a break. You can't just because you can get emotionally attached to it and you feel like, man, I already lost this. I gotta make it back. and you just feel like pushed to get another trade. It's kind of tough. We get along today. I don't know. I feel like I want to see at least these lows get taken out right here. It's looking like bearish today. I'm not gonna lie. Drawdown is just conspiracy. True. Because look, like I was saying here, 4 hour wise, we still have these lows to take out. We've had bearish price action so far today. 1 hour, we have this kind of like breaker as well as this old bullish order block that we broke through. So did not respect it. This should be resistance now to the downside, which we tapped it. And then even looking down at the 15, what do we have? We got a inversion for value gap right here. Boom. And then even more so on this current leg down, we have an actual new fair value gap, the sell side imbalance right here that actually was tapped into and held us down. So I feel like we are going to be bearish. We could start to look for a trade soon. I mean, I kind of want to see these lows get taken out. So we still got like 300 ticks all the way down there. Um, we had a little bit of a change to delivery right here on the 1 minute. So we're on the 15 minute here. We do see this 15-minute sell side imbalance. I'm gonna mark that as a 15-minute. And let's check the 5. I've not looked at the 5 yet. Um, okay, so it looks decent. I would hate for us right here. 5 minute wise is really nothing major to hold us down. We have this range. We have this. If we want to look at it as a bearish order block, sure. If we're really weak, we could run right here. But right now as well, it could want to rip these highs again, go into a little more of a premium and then dump. But this one's tough. You would try some longs here? Nah, man. I'm looking more short here, to be honest. Well, let's see. 2 minute, 3 minute. Hmm. CES. Same thing on ES. Dow looks like it wants to rip into here though a little bit. We got relative equal highs and then this big imbalance right here. So let's see. Yeah, lunchtime definitely can be choppy, which is right where we're approaching. Right now we're approaching 9 Pacific, 12 Eastern. So we'll see. We'll see. DXY selling to me. Let's go Bulls. Yeah. How's the bonds looking? I mean, we gotta look on the higher time frame on these. I don't know if I'm looking at the right symbol for these, to be honest. I don't know. What I'm thinking is we might want to go short overall today. We might want to pump a little more into here, though, to be honest. So we start to see that happen here on the 1 minute. Um, we might want to take these internal range highs out, go a little more into this unmitigated imbalance right here, just into more of a premium, and then dump again. So if we start to break above this, I might take a long here. So let's check this out. Let's be careful here. But this is what I'm looking at right now, you guys. So if we start to crack up into here, and maintain this inversion, might start looking long because we have this 5 minute bullish order block here too. Um, 1 minute or 2 minute buy side imbalance, 3 minute, imbalance right here. So that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, 29K around there's a good entry for a really good discount entry. I just want to see a little more narrative on our side. I would hate to see us tap into this real quick and then just immediately dump. So it's still looking weak. I mean, overall today we're bearish. So we are kind of fading today's trend. But I feel like we could possibly see something like this today where we kind of move up into here, maybe get up around here, and then we kind of get that move down into here. So it's kind of what I'm thinking. So starting to move, guys. Starting to move. We might want to take a long. Let's wait for this candle a little bit. We still got a bunch of ticks of range for us. I just want to see how we maintain this. I don't want to see a quick reaction out. If we start to close and stay inside of here, I'm going to look for this long. Where we can see this candle literally just tapped up, filled it all the way like to the tick almost, like one tick off. So let's see what we can catch here. There's also if we're really weak right now to the downside, this could really just hold us down. We just tap into this, get into the zone, and just keep pushing down. So I want to be careful here, just like that. So let's see. We can get some bodies in here, closing, and like a little bounce here. I'm gonna like that more. If not, this could be a short. Let's see. Still bouncing off that 2900 level a little bit. Even this 1 minute little imbalance right here. So let's see if this holds. If we're gonna be long though, this has got to hold. We shouldn't really crack below this low here of this candle, and then we should just keep pumping from this zone right here. So let's see. If not, we might just take a short. If you disrespect the train, you'll get your well played. Yeah, dude, it's tough. Really kind of want to try a short out right here. Be honest, looking weak. This is a late entry though, honestly. Let's see. Give it another second. Damn, I'm really tempted to go short though. I'm like about to hit the freaking button. We'll see. I want to catch a dub with you guys. Little Monday dub. Let's see. Let's see. Pull for Monday, yes, sir. Should we stack up five minis right now? Haha. It's like we're gonna stay at one. Pull for it every day. Come on. No risk, no Rari. No, I use wealth charts a lot too. I'm kinda just waiting for, Rob is cooking on my indicator in wealth charts. I'm gonna start using wealth charts solely, mainly just 'cause I look at time and price a lot, so I like having my sessions outlined for reference. So that's being worked on right now. I'm gonna be solely wealth charts. The indicator, it might even be public. I gotta confirm with Rob, once they code it in. I know, that's why, bro, we're chilling. If we lose, I gotta have to palm my chain, bro. Let's see. Tempted here. Mm, let's see. Let's see. We're bouncing here. Bounce up to 5 minute. We took some internal range. Short term lows here. Let's give these longs a try. We're in long. Would have been nice to get entry like as we're bouncing off the zone, but I feel like we're gonna pump up a little more. Willing to give it a shot. So we're in longs, guys. We're long. Let's see what we can do. I know we are fading the overall trend today, but I feel like even if we want to continue short, we might want to go up a little more into the zone. So let's see what we can cook up here. We're long here. Um, let's see, targeting. I mean, we could even target just these highs alone. It's almost 200 ticks. So that's huge, which we might do just as a scalp. But I feel like we do want to move up significantly. So let's see. To be honest, though, I'm probably gonna just cut it here at like we can move up there. That's gonna be like almost. Let's go up like right here. It's gonna be about 170 ticks. So that's what we're looking to target, 171 ticks. Let's go. Let's go. We're up 50 ticks so far. Just 1 minute. Let's see what we can do here. It's got to be a quick move though, because we already mitigated the zone twice. Went once into it, broke below, but now we're showing that intent to move up again. So we got to really bounce here and just spike at least these highs out. That's what I want to see. Fast movement here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. She's moving. This candle, I really don't want to see us close below this zone, this inversion now. Like I want to see us really maintain here, bounce here, and just continue up. It's the main thing we're paying attention to. But man, any velocity traders in here, if you got the daily payout plan, you could literally just bag off one trade. It's crazy, and literally that's your payout today. So we could just done. Yeah, where's my cut? You guys give me my cut. Yeah, what the heck, bro? Glazed. That fool's glazed, dude. She's getting a little volatile here. If we see this be a big candle down, I'm gonna have to get out, but I want to see us really maintain this zone. We're sure if we it's okay we wick around a little bit, but I want to see us stay up in this area. Let's go. Come on. Come on, thank you. We gotta push. There we go. Beautiful candle. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna take a scalp. I mean, this is a little light scalp. Just taking it to this 1 minute range high. We're not gonna. I mean, I really do feel like we can move up here because looking at Dow, you know, well, we did just happen. This was unmitigated. Now it is mitigated, but Dow, I think we want to move up a little more into the zone, and I think we're looking at the 1 minute on Dow as well. So yeah, this zone is what I'm thinking we want to tap into. So I feel like that's leading us into longs on everything else here. Just be careful though here. If we can't move in the next like few candles, I might just have to close because we're showing a lot of volatility here. Come on, she's moving. She is a moving. Stop loss though for me, I mean, we have to keep it in a realistic area. For me, this imbalance, if we're gonna tap it like we are now, I mean, we have to understand this candle low is where ultimately we don't want to see it go below this. That's the imbalance area right here. So we're gonna give it a shot. It's looking like we're pretty volatile out here. Yeah, well, a little low here. Thank you. Jesus, spring up out of here. Come on, don't do it like this. Oh man, that's not looking good. That doesn't look good. All right, we're gonna get out of this. We're out. A little bit lost. Shoot, guys. All right, we're talking about 8 minutes. It's nothing crazy. And we're in a almost a takes open profit. We could have scalped it, but you just got to get the shot here. This is tough. We did just get these lows out. Should have scalped that one to be honest. It's really like freaking tough. And I did see that on Dow. This is kind of why I wanted to go long because this was untapped and we did tap it. I feel like we want to go a little more into it, but now the second we tapped it, we started to reverse. We can see that here on NQ reversing really hard. So things like that too, a little tough. Now it's officially launched, 9:01. See, we are freaking shredding right now, guys. Lunch open is going wild. How much money do you need to request to pay out? It depends on the account. I mean, like a premier account, there's no balance requirement. It's just you can only request 50% of the profit. So if you make 1K, you can request up to 500. If you have 4K in your account, you can request 2K. So that's the payout. All of our rules you can find in our help center for the look in the policies for funded accounts section. Should we try a little short here? This is really aggressive, but I'm gonna try it out. Probably should have waited until we tap into here, but I feel like our ultimate goal, even though we were long, we wanted to see it move up into here to get this move down, but I feel like this low, 100% we want to spike out. So we're gonna do a short down to here. Hopefully recover our losses here. It's still gonna be a good 163 ticks. We'll be in profit. This wants to move pretty fast. This would have been a great entry though, right here through a short. Let's see. We just need to catch one banger right here. And this can keep going if we do end up shorting. I mean, it's really weak today, but this low really looks like an easy target to scalp. We just need to catch even beyond that. I mean, if we do continue down, right, on the 4 hour, really looks like an we do have this wick, this big wick. So I mean, we could even target we just need to catch 50%, even just measuring out this wick completely. Even beyond that, I mean, if we do continue
quarter
down,
of it,
right,
half of
on
it,
the 4 hour, so that could even be another
really
target
looks like
down.
an
We do
easy
have
target,
this wick,
just
big
50%
wick,
scalp.
or even a little above to be safe, which you can see we got quite a bit of distance until we get down there. But when you see big wicks like that, it's really good to measure out, and you can use that even as an area. Even 50% of the wick can hold us up. You can bounce at that area too. So it's just a good area to target shorts or even pay attention to like, okay, we're down there now. And if we maintain it, we have something above to look at. It could even bounce off that. It can go back up. But I feel like we're gonna dump pretty hard here then. We gave it the chance to see if we wanted to go into a deeper premium. Didn't happen. It looked a little promising, but um, I'd like to see us just flush down now. If we can. Just a little giveaway though, I guess. Why not? We'll do one for YouTube, one for Discord. Let's do it. Let's do it. What do you guys like to trade? Premiere? Thinking a little Premiere giveaway for you guys. 50K Premiere. Let's get it. Let's do it. Why not? Hold up, guys. So to be featured in this giveaway, to win the giveaway, make sure you follow us on all platforms. YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube, have the FFF tag. You have to have the FFF tag in Discord. Follow us on Twitter, on YouTube, Instagram. We're working on right now getting it instated. So, but yeah, have the FFF tag and let's kill it. Let's do a 50K premier giveaway, guys. I'm gonna pick someone random from Discord and from YouTube. So YouTube and Discord spam FFF TV. Make sure you have the Discord tag for Discord, and you will possibly be a winner. So let's get it, guys. We'll do a little. Let's do a 10-second timer. You guys spam FFF TV. Ready? Ready? Let's see. Stopwatch. Or let's do timer. Let's do 10 seconds. Holy shit, this trade's pumping. All right, ready, guys? 10 seconds. Let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Man, all right. Winner is Zero to Wiz on Discord. Let's go. Zero to Wiz. All right, 50K Premiere, bro. Let's get it. Let me put you in my notes. All right, 50K Premiere cooking up for you, bro. Let's see. Boom. Zero to Wiz. 50K. 50K Premiere. Okay. And let's do YouTube. All right, YouTube, your turn. Let's do 10 seconds on the clock. Ready? Let's start it in 3, 2, 1. Bam. Let's go 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. Let's go. Moises. Moises Santana. You are going to be winner from YouTube, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let me copy your name down. So Moises, you got to go in Discord. Make sure you have our Discord tag as well. The FF tag to win. Make sure you follow both of you guys have won. Make sure you follow us on socials, and we're gonna be checking, and then we'll give you your account. So Moises, you're a winner. You're a winner. let's check this out real quick too while we're in our trade. Uh, Going over the Premier plan in case anyone's brand new. Just want to kind of touch base on it, but let's do that. Okay, let's see here. Let's switch this. Damn. Okay. You guys see my screen? This thing's getting choppy. All right, we're gonna do a little overview of the Premier. So honestly, Premier Plus is like one of my favorite plans. Pretty competitive. I know there's other firms that got the 2-day pass with the 5-day payout, right? We're a 1-day pass with the 5-day payout on this plan. So it's literally 1-day pass, no consistency rule on the eval. You can lock it in right now using code FFF, FFTV, 45% off right now, 5 per user for your first use. So first 5 uses of this code FFF, it's gonna be 45% off. And then yeah, so I mean you can literally get a 50K account for 88 bucks, no activation fee. All you gotta do is pass it, and then in 5 days, you're gonna get a payout. There's no, profit requirement, no consistency in the funded, nothing. You get to pick as well, your drawdown type on this plan, so you can pick end of day, you can pick intraday. Obviously, intraday is gonna be a little more, less expensive because it's a little more difficult, but you pick your drawdown, boom, and, get right into it. And then let's go over the funded account structure. It's one of our best plans, to be honest. Even going back to just to compare it, I mean, they're all great plans. Premier is probably the easiest or more kind of one of the simpler plans. I mean, it's just literally 1-day pass, 5-day to get a payout, no consistency, nothing like that. So it's just really just lock in 5 trading days, and whatever profit you have after 5 trading days, you can request up to 50% of your profit. So it's great, really simple. Prime is going to be a 1-day pass with a 3 trading day to get payout. There is a 40% consistency rule on the funded. There isn't one on the eval, and it's a 1-day pass. But it's a 40% consistency on the funded, and there is a payout structure to it. Per payout, you get a max you're allowed to request. We can go over this soon too. Straight to funded, basic. It's industry standard. Straight to funded account. No eval. Um, so you're gonna get right into this plan. 7 trading days to get a payout, 25% lifetime consistency rule, and that's it. And then velocity is great too. It's a 3-day pass and a 3-day to get payout. So evaluation with 3 days to pass. Let me go back to the Discord to make sure there's no questions. My computer's geeking right now, guys. Super chops. Okay, let's see. Buffer on Prime, we'll go over that. No, there's not a crazy buffer on the Prime. It's just a little profit target. Very, very small too. Let's see what is going on. Okay. So yeah, velocity, going back to this, 40% consistency on the eval and the funded. So it's 3-day pass on the eval, 3 to get payout on the funded. There is a profit target on the funded portion, but you have an option when you buy this plan. You can do the daily payout add-on, which in the funded, the eval will remain 40% consistency, 3-day pass. But the funded, it'll take off the consistency and the trading days. So it's no longer 40% consistency. It's just going to be daily payouts. So it's a daily payout option, no consistency rule. Make profit, request a payout. So it's pretty freaking crazy. And then going over the payout structure, let's check it out. So for the current Premier, This is ultimately the structure. This is all previous structure right here. New Premier is the Premier Plus is very straightforward. It's literally just 50% of profit up to a cap. So 50K account, you can request 50% of your profit up to 2,000. So if you wanted to request the max bet of 2,000, for example, on the 50K, we would need $4,000 profit, and that's really it on the Premier. Very basic. Uh, Going to the Prime. So the Prime is still really simple. I mean, there's a profit target in between payout, but it's such a small profit target. I mean, you're going to make it anyway. So, like 50K account in between every payout request, you need to make 500 bucks. Really easy. 150K account, even 1,000 bucks profit target in between payout. Really, really easy. Um, so that's nice. The buffer too. So there is a little buffer, but it's not increasing buffer. It's just right at the drawdown. This is so you can keep your account after payout. We don't want you requesting from an account, having your balance way too low, and then popping it right after. So this buffer is in place to really help you maintain the account and for continued trading after payout. So ultimately, you just need the drawdown amount of the account size plus $100 buffer. So for a 50K account to request, you need to be at 52,100 bucks, and you're good to request. And so on. So 100K, boom, 103,100, 150K account, 154,600, and you're good to request. So just have the drawdown plus 100 bucks, you're good to go. And this is the payout structure. So 2,000 bucks for first payout, 2,500 bucks for payouts and beyond. And this is every 3 days. So if you're killing it, I mean, you can be requesting 2,000 bucks and then 2,500 bucks every 3 days with these plans, which is crazy. And if you have 5 accounts, which we have 5 account cap, just a 50K account on payout one, you're gonna be clearing $2,000 times five, so that's 10,000 bucks. And then minus the profit split, which is gonna be, uh, you know, it's gonna be 9,000 bucks you're clearing, and then so 9,000 bucks in three days, which is crazy. Let's see, 10,000 minus 10%. Let's do the math though for like payout one and payout two. So you're gonna be having 9,000 bucks after payout one's processed, and then 2,500 bucks. So let's say you clear payout one in 3 days. You just made $9,000, and then payout two, you can request 2,500 bucks. 2,500 times five, that's 12,500 minus 10%. So 11,250 you're gonna be approved for payout two, plus 9,000 because that was your payout one. You just cleared 20 grand in 6 days, which is nuts. And that even scales higher with the 150K accounts. All you need to do is invest like what the prime plan right now is 100 bucks per account. So let's say you invest for 5 accounts, $500 at this current discount right now. In 6 days, you can make 20 grand, which is just insane. So it's really cool. And velocity too. We can touch on that in case anyone doesn't know. But the velocity is just the basic for your trading days. Like I said, 40% consistency for the lifetime of the account. But then if you get the daily payout add-on, it removes the trading day requirement, and then there's no consistency rule. So um, there is a profit target. So each payout you will need to reach a profit target, and it's structured very similar to what you call to a straight to funded account profit structure, profit requirement structure. So every payout, like payout one on a 50K account, you need to make 3K. And yes, it does keep growing, but this keeps you having drawdown in the account so you can just continue trading. So even on the daily payout one, it's going to be easier to keep the account as you have to keep growing the buffer, but you're going to be allowed literally daily payouts. So, if you have 5 accounts, let's say and you're on the daily payout plan, literally every single day, if you hit the profit target, you can hit 3,000 or a $1,000 request. So you can have 5K every single day. If you have 150K accounts, you know, you can be literally requesting 12,500 bucks daily, you know, which is just nuts. So, I mean, I see people killing it with these on the daily payout plan as well. So, I mean, literally 12,500 bucks daily. Who doesn't want that? And just for a small price of like freaking what, the 150K velocity is how much is it? For 82 bucks. It's just nuts. So if you're locked in, you could be killing it with these, you know. So I think next giveaway we'll do a little velocity giveaway. You guys, we got smoked on our shorts. So we got hella smoked. So let's see, let's maybe take one more trade. We might call it a day here because market is just ranging for lunch right now. Kind of sucks. Let's see. We are thinking about increasing the limit. I mean, right now it's 5. We have been 4. We increased it to 5. I mean, we're thinking behind the scenes about certain things. It could be something in the future, but that's true, Dre. The 50K or the velocity is intraday trailing, but that's the main thing to be aware of. But if you can just take, lock in your trades more, it's more of a scalping plan too. Just lock in quick profits. You can be pretty set. Um, Man, I'm thinking about going long here for our last trade. First giveaway was Premier, so it's 250K Premier accounts. 250K Premiers, and it was Zero to Wiz on Discord and Moises Santana on YouTube. So make sure you guys you follow us on socials, have the FFF tag, and DM me. I'll credit your account after this. Make sure I have it right in my notes. So it's both 50K Premiers on uh, on that one. Man, let's do I like how we're back in the zone. Want to go long, guys? Shoot. Maybe one more shot long. Damn. Got late entry, man. I think we got cooked on this account. Shoot, man. Damn it, dude. Missing this long. Wait for a little retracement here. Let's try it right here. I got faith. I got faith. We're gonna pump. We're gonna pump, guys. Oh my god. Nah, MES. I don't think we didn't do a prime giveaway. We're gonna do one more though for velocity today. That's definitely bullish right now, guys. Unfortunately, we got smoked though. This little fake out cooked us, but it's really like you can't hold a long even in this range. I mean, you'd have to have a 300 tick freaking stop, which is just ridiculous. If you wanted to wither this whole move down, even right here, if you got entry long on this imbalance, price was just ugly. We had this imbalance right here we formed. Price broke this whole structure, this whole range right here, even so crazy. You would have had to have a 200 tick stop. The only thing really to key off of that maintained us so far is this on the 5 minute. We had this order block right here. We didn't break the low of it. We didn't break this range, so price came down. If you would have entered and just framed it off this order block, that's the trade for long. But even then, if you take an entry off a bounce off the body, like boom, hits the body, let's go long, you would have still had to have like a 200 tick stop, which is just nuts. Nuts, guys. Yeah, DM me for your account giveaway, and I'll be crediting it right after the stream. Let's see, this candle was wicked. See if we can bounce off the zone one more time and just continue ripping up. This is gonna be our last trade of the day, though, guys. It's looking like we're gonna get cooked even again. Only thing though is we do have this 5-minute little zone right here, so we'll see. Let's maintain this and just pump again. Jeez. We're trading another 50K eval right now. We're trading 100 or 50K premier eval, and we're getting smoked right now. Jesus. Jesus. Getting smoked, guys. Let's see if we can pump out of here now. Here we go. I mean, I'm looking right here. I mean, I know we have this 5-minute zone. I hate to have to frame it around these 5-minute zones right now because market's ranging. Like even these candles are like 200 ticks each. It just sucks. Yeah, we're gonna have to get out of this trade too, guys. Jesus. I'm not trading anymore. I mean, lunch sesh sucks right now, guys. We're just ranging. Dude, we got smoked. Was there any news today too? Jesus. It was like a no news Monday or what? This is ridiculous. No news today. Look, it just freaking wicked me out though. I mean, I had to get out of that position, but is it really gonna pump now? Ridiculous. I will finish up with two velocities for you guys. Same thing though. Adopt, make sure they have a tag and follow us on socials. Subscribe to our YouTube. Show us some love. I think it's better to sit on hands right now because this is not a nice looking range. 5 minute. This is just ugly. I mean, overall trend is bearish, so we could start heading for these lows. But before we get there, who knows? It's lunch right now. Might want to just keep ranging. I do feel like there's a clean target for the day though. These lows down here, to be honest. Let's see. Damn, dude. Look at that dump right now. It's probably gonna smack it right now. It's definitely gonna hit these lows right now. Jeez. I just can't get on the right side today, guys. I got freaking wrecked. All right, we'll finish up one more giveaway, guys. Make sure you spam FFF TV. I'm gonna start with YouTube. We'll run a little 50K velocity. Let's get it. Let's get it. And the freaking lows just got taken, man. Jesus. I wish we were in that insane range. 500 tick range right there. It's just nuts. Tough to trade, guys, during lunch. All right, guys. Let's go. YouTube, show some love. Gonna win. Who's gonna win? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn. Who is it? Who is it? Are these bots though? Who's the winner? 3, 2, 1. All right, YouTube. We got China 095. You are a lucky 50K velocity winner. I'll put you in my notes now. So freaking, let's see, YouTube. You're from YouTube as well. 50K velocity. Bam. Let's go. All right, Discord. Let's get Discord going. China, make sure you're in our Discord. Yes, sir. You got the dub, bro. You got the account. Make sure you're in Discord though. Make sure you have the FF tag adopted and follow us on YouTube and Twitter. Dude, I really feel like this 50% of wick is gonna get hit though. Look at this. We're really trending down now, guys. But it's just tough to get in short here. How volatile we are, we might just if you let's say you get in short here, they might want to retrace back up to here even. And huge range up there. You don't want to be sitting through that. Bummer though, because that was our overall target. I think we just got faked out with wanting to go a little higher today for me. And the fact that we did start to show we're respecting these zones. But honestly, this move down, the second we took these internal range highs out, we just ran. I mean, I guess on my part, it would have been better if I saw that, yeah, this sell side imbalance did get disrespected. Sure, we came up above, but once we worked right back below it, changed the delivery here, you know, just tough. There's really no entry on this run down unless you just took the liquidity grab up top here. But yeah, trying to DM me on Discord. If you're make sure you're in our Discord, have our FF tag adopted. Hit me up and I'll credit for you right after the stream. And then let's go Discord final giveaway. Let's get it. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? 50K velocity. Ooh, 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 ooh. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? All right, eyes closed, guys. To be fair, we'll just click randomly. Let's go 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you are the winner. Killer Viper. Killer Viper. Let's get it, bro. Appreciate everyone freaking being here, though. Gotta be fair. Gotta just click it randomly. Sorry, guys. Killer Viper, congrats, bro. We'll put you down. 50K premiere. Or 50K velocity. Bam. All right, guys. I think we're gonna wrap it here. I don't see any more trades. My main target was just as low. I got wrecked wanting to see price go a little higher before we hit that low. And it is what it is. But all the winners, congrats. DM me. Make sure, like I said, follow us on socials, have the FFF tag adopted, and just DM me your FFF username or email. And I'll get those accounts credited for you. But yeah, let's wrap it up here, guys. You guys have any questions about any plans or anything? Let's go, dude. Ice Mike, a little 1,000 dub. Nice little freaking easy dub. All right, we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. We're continuing to grow. We want to be the best freaking platform for all you guys. So let's just keep killing it. We are a fam, so we love you guys. Thank you. Talk soon. See you Wednesday. Peace.
content is presented by Funded Futures Family for educational and entertainment purposes only. This live show does not provide financial or investment advice. Futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. All trades, analysis, market opinions, and commentary reflect personal perspectives only and may change without notice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Simulated performance results have inherent limitations and do not represent actual live trading. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions, risk management, and results. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any trading decisions. Viewing this content does not create a client, advisory, or fiduciary